prize distribution ceremony, and we are about to begin with the prize distribution ceremony within 2 to 3 minutes. So get ready. Yes, are you ready for that? Yes, are you ready for that? Perfect. So, again, I will be asking you some very, very simple questions and you have to answer that. Alright. So, my question is, the one you wear in your neck, tie, tie को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? tie को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? Please come on the stage and answer, please. Fast. आ जाइए sir, आ जाइए. Please come. Yeah, so tie in Hindi is called kant langot. Thank you so much, sir. Worthy chief guest of this evening, Director Sir and Sapna Ma'am, to come on the stage for the prize distribution ceremony. I would request Mr. Harry Sharma, our Director Sir, and Sapna Ma'am to come on the stage for the prize distribution ceremony. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Everyone, yes, let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. We have is fancy dress competition for playgroup. First prize goes to Naira. First prize goes to Naira. Please call her on the stage for the fancy dress competition first prize. So, Nevan is absent. Our second prize winner is also absent, but we can move with the third prize winner of fancy dress competition, Anika. Please come on the stage. Let's have a huge round of applause, please. तालियां बिल्कुल भी नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Kids to go with the fancy dress competition, and the first winner is Avreen. First winner is Avreen. Please huge round of applause for a little flower. Now it's time for our junior KG kids to get ready for the fancy dress competition prize distribution. The first prize goes to Sia. Clap for Sia, please. Oh wow, what a confidence, everyone. Huge round of applause for her. Alright, the second prize goes to Mahib. Second prize goes to Mahib, Junior KG. Clap for him. What a lovely looking child. Varnika, Junior KG. Varnika, get ready, Varnika. Yes, please come. Clap for her, please. Now it's time for the senior KG kids for the fancy dress competition prize. First prize goes to Noordi. Please clap for Noordi. How cute is she? Second prize goes to senior KG again, Adway. Second prize goes to Adway. Get ready. Meanwhile, Adway, we are finding him. Where is he right now? We can move with the next category, rhyme competition and play group. It goes to first prize goes to Tisha. First prize goes to Tisha. Absent, she is absent. Second prize goes to Viraj. Viraj. Is Viraj absent? Alright, the third prize goes to Mishika. Mishika. Is Mishika on stage? Clap for Mishika, please. Now it's time for the nursery kids. Same rhyme competition category. First prize goes to Avreen. Avreen for the rhyme competition category. Avreen. May I have Avreen on the stage? Clap for her, please. Moving on to the second prize, it goes to Anhad. Clap for Anhad, please. Parents, it's your kids' moment. Please cherish it. Alright, our kid Virat Shukla, who stood second in the rhyme competition. Baby, please join us on the stage. Everyone clap for the baby. Clap for the kid, please. Clap for the kid. Again, Advay Rana for fancy dress competition who stood second into this. Come on the stage. Oh my God, what a vibe. Clap for him, please. Alright, Rayansh Verma, be ready for fancy dress competition for holding second position. Rayansh Verma, please come on the stage. Clap for him, please. competition holder, Miss Mannat Salgotra. Get ready to receive your prize. Miss Mannat Salgotra. Clap for her, please. Clap for her. Yes, for the rhyme competition from nursery grade, Pravi, get ready to receive your award for winning third position. Everyone clap for Pravi. Clap for her, please. Now it's time for Junior KG Kids for rhyme competition. First prize goes to Honeydee. Honeydee. First prize goes to Honeydee. Please clap for her. Second prize goes to Varnika. Please come on the stage and take your award. Varnika. Oh wow, two prizes. Clap for her, please. Third prize goes to Sia. Please come on the stage. Sia, come on the stage. Very, very active girl. Everyone clap for her. For senior KG, first prize goes to Modi, but he's absent. He couldn't come to collect his award. This,
मैं किसी से डरती नहीं.
my bad. First prize winner is here with us, Noordeep. Please give a huge round of applause to Noordeep. And our second prize winner, Viraj, he is not present. Moving on to the next category, academic excellence. From play group, it's Anika. Anika, please come on the stage. Meanwhile, we are bringing Anika on the stage from nursery. Saho, get ready. Okay, again from nursery it is Satvik. Please come on the stage to take away your award. Satvik. Everyone clap for Satvik. Clap for him, please, everyone. Clap for him. It's their moment. We need to cherish. Okay, Anika from playgroup is here with us. From junior KG, we have Mahi. From junior KG, we have Mahi. Again, Punjabi aa gaye hoye. Please clap for him. For senior KG, it's Adway. From senior KG, it's Adway. Clap for Adway. Clap for Adway, please, everyone. Moving on to the next category, which is all-rounder. From play group, it is who is absent, but from nursery it is Rayansh Verma. Is Rayansh with us? Clap for Rayansh for winning all-rounder award. Everyone, clap for Rayansh, please. Now moving on to the junior KG for all-rounder category, it's Mansimar. Mansimar, come on the stage. Everyone, yes. Last but not the least, for all-rounder from senior KG, it is Noordi. Noordi, please come on the stage. Everyone clap for her, please. Now I request all the kids, our chief guest, our director sir, to go with the group picture. Of this evening and our lovely kids for joining us. A huge round of applause for them. Meanwhile, our kids are getting ready. Now I request the respective fathers to come and join me for another game. I request the fathers to come and join me for another game. Yes, please come and join me. Please, sir, please, come on the stage. I am coming down. Audience भी सोच रहे हैं, इतने difficult questions. All right. So, हमारे जो audience है is going to be the judge. Our audience is going to be the judge. Music down, please. Thank you. So, अभी हम एक गेम खेलेंगे, ठीक है? And उस गेम में क्या होगा? Multiples of 3 होंगे. For example, I will say 1, 2, 3. 3 नहीं बोलना है, 3 पर आपने बोलना है kids. क्या बोलना है? और जो रह गया 3 का multiples 3 का टेबल आता है सबको, है ना? तो जहाँ 6 आया वहाँ kids, जहाँ 9 आया वहाँ kids. And I will also be playing this game with you. And this has to be rapid. Rapidly बोलना है जो out. ठीक है? Clear? All right. Okay, so I am also playing the game. Get ready. 1. मैं दस दिया. 3 मल्टीपल्स होंगे जिदा 1 2 3 जिदा 3 आया ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਹੈ किड्सी स्कूल ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਹੈ किड्सी ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਬੋਲਿਆ 1 ਸਰ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਹੈ 2 ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਬੋਲੋਗੇ ਸਰ किड्सी 3 नहीं बोलना है किड्सी बोलना है सिमिलरली 4 5 किड्सी ओके एंड ना मिडिल में कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो और आप आल्सो इन द गेम ऑलराइट सो ऑडियंस रेडी यस प्लीज सपोर्ट आप में से आपके पतिदेव खड़े हैं यहाँ पर काइंडली सपोर्ट ऑलराइट 3 2 1 लेट्स स्टार्ट 1 सर आउट ओके टू दो ये ट्रिगर था लाइक द फर्स्ट ऑलराइट 1 ऑडियंस साथ में बता दो ऑलराइट सर प्लीज टेक दिस कैसे यहाँ पता लग गया ना ओके सर थैंक यू प्लीज टेक योर सीट क्लैप फॉर सर 1 please take a seat all right 1
3
so you understood the game 1
2 किड्सी 4 5 किड्सी 7 8
क्या कर रही है ऑडियंस बड़ी स्मार्ट है हमारी चलो 1
किड्सी 4 5 किड्सी 7 8 किड्सी 9 10
thank you 1 okay come it will be easy for me to do all right
1 2 किड्सी 4 5 किड्सी 7 8 किड्सी 9
नहीं सर ने बोला क्लासरूम में भी कुछ ऐसे ही होता है ऑलराइट 1
5
It's out.
8 किड्सी
Easy वाला.
मेरा मैथ इतना अच्छा नहीं है प्लीज हेल्प करना
9, 10 out.
इवेंचुअली सब प्लीज टेक दिस बट हेल्प अच्छी मिल रही थी ऑडियंस ओके थोड़ा सा कम
10 बोला था.
वन 1 Take your seat, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
1
2, 3, 4, 5,
सर अपने स्कूल टाइम में एकदम आई थिंक नंबर 1 स्टूडेंट रहे होंगे इन टर्म ऑफ डिसिप्लिन क्लैप फॉर सर प्लीज क्लैप फॉर सर that was great alright
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Kidsy
1
Kids,
Seven.
one,
Five,
एक और फेवर चाहिए
8,
आप ऑर्डर करिए सर
one,
2,
1.
3,
I told you. Kids,
सर हो गया
one,
kids, 3,
one,
kids, 5, 8, 11,
kids. Let's re-begin. One,
kids, 5, 7,
kids. I spoke the wrong just to make them out. Let's take me out. One,
kids, 5, 7, 8, kids, 10, 11, kids, 14.
Out.
thank you, sir. Please clap for sir. Please. Now, मैं पहले give up. मेरे से नहीं होगा. One,
Kids, 8, 10, 14.
alright, so we got the winner.
होगी हल्ला लल्ला सारे जट्टी सत्तियां उतारे हल्ला लल्ला सारे जट्टी सत्तियां उतारे ऐसे कल के टूटना हंसा गए कि मेरे जिंद कट के मेरे टिटिया का ताजा हंसा गए कि मेरे जिंद कट के मेरे टिटिया का ताजा हंसा गए कि मेरे जिंद कट के
लाके लोकड़ी में कुत्त नाल फुलनी किसे जट दा करेगी दीवा बोलनी लाके लोकड़ी में कुत्त नाल फुलनी किसे जट दा करेगी दीवा बोलनी मुंडे पिंडे दे कुमारे पत्ते जान गए नी सारे सिंह दे कुमारे पत्ते जान गए नी सारे गल्लू निकले पटुले वंग थपके गल्लू निकले पटुले वंग थपके नी जट नु दे तमार गल्लू हसी पे अख थपके नी जट नु दे तमार
तेरे नाल ते वो हो गया प्यार वे कने अंदर बना तू गेड़ा मार वे तेरे नाल ते वो हो गया प्यार वे कने अंदर बना तू गेड़ा मार वे खुला रखूंगी तुम्हारे वे छड़ी के वाले यारा रखूंगी तुम्हारे वे छड़ी के वाले यारा कच्ची शैल का कनक दे हंसावे ये कि मेरे जिंद कट के तेरे टिटिया का ताजा हंसावे ये कि मेरे जिंद कट के तेरे टिटिया का ताजा हंसावे ये कि मेरे जिंद कट के
A huge, huge round of applause for our kids. We are going to have appreciation award ceremony, but before that, I would love to again engage my lovely audience. So again, I have a question. It is related to maths. So are you ready, mathematicians? I'm ready. Okay, so it's very simple question कि एक से लेकर 100 की गिनती में 9 कितने बार आता है? 1 से लेकर 100 की गिनती में 9 कितनी बार आता है? Yes. Don't Google please and don't Google. 10? Who said 10? Raise hands. No. 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 Okay. Go with 11. Raise hands. 19. Go with 19. 17. 18. Attendance लगा लेते हैं. 19. Who is saying 20? Raise hand. Yes. 1 से लेकर 100 की गिनती में आप गूगल कर लीजिए 9 अब मैंने गैस बोला 9 20 बार आता है. Clap for ma'am please. Louder one. All right. Moving on to some riddle. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो हमें फर्स्ट टाइम फ्री में मिलती है, सेकंड टाइम भी फ्री में मिलती है, बट थर्ड टाइम के लिए आपको पैसे देने पड़ते हैं? यस मैडम. यस आई हर्ड. यस दीज आर क्लैप फॉर द स्पीकर्स जिन्होंने भी आंसर्स बोले हैं. क्लैप फॉर देम. ऑलराइट, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स 3 पैर की तितली नहा धोकर निकली. Who is this samosa lover here? And I am also. Clap for sir, please. Yeah, it is 3 पैर की तितली नहा धोकर. We just fry them. जैसे हम लोग नहा लेते हैं, but we don't get fried. नहा धोकर निकली. Alright. One last question I have with me. One last question. पासवर्ड को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? ये तो इंस्टाग्राम पे भी आता है. पासवर्ड को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? थिंक. Yeah, that's the last question. पासवर्ड को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? Anyone? इंस्टाग्राम ओपन कर लो. Doesn't matter. That is called कूट शब्द. In हिंदी पासवर्ड को हम कहते हैं कूट शब्द. हाँ जी. Who said है? हाँ हाँ जी कूटशप कहते हैं जी हाँ जी. All right. Moving on to our appreciation award ceremony. And for this, I would request our director sir, our chief guest of this evening, to come on the stage and go with the appreciation ceremony, which is entirely and majorly for the teachers. Time to celebrate the feeling of being a torch bearer in the paths of many, and let's begin with the Teachers Award or Appreciation Award ceremony. Let's have a huge round of applause for mainly for the teachers. Ma'am, who really have worked a lot for the coordination right from the day one till the last day, Miss Sapna, to come and join us. Huge round of applause for Miss Sapna. Let's cherish, let's cherish. Now it's time for the mother teacher of playgroup, Miss Jatinder Kaur. Mother teacher of playgroup, Miss Jatinder Kaur, to join us for the appreciation award ceremony. Miss, no worries. We are moving for the mother teacher of nursery, Miss Jyoti. Please join us. Please join us for the appreciation ceremony. Clappings बिल्कुल भी नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Now it's time for the mother teacher of junior KG, Miss Jaspreet Kaur. Mother teacher of junior KG, Miss Jaspreet Kaur. Our assistant teacher of senior KG, Miss Nisha. Our assistant teacher of senior KG, Miss Nisha. Clap for them, please. I request our associate teachers, Miss Tamanna and Miss Mandir Kaur. Miss Tamanna and Miss Mandir Kaur to join us for the appreciation award ceremony. Clappings नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Thank you, teachers. Without you all, this could not have been possible. But there is one more personality जिनके बिना ये choreography possible ही नहीं थी. And it is Mr. Govind Gautam and Mr. Zender Rawat to come and join us for award for appreciation for the choreographer. Mr. Govind, Mr. Zender Rawat, please come on. हमारे कोरियोग्राफर के लिए प्लीज एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Clap once again. क्या कहते हैं? आई बिलीव सबको पता होना चाहिए। ये जो लाइसेंस की हिंदी है, ये बोल बच्चन मूवी थी, उसमें भी बताया गया था। आई थिंक आपने अगर देखी हो। सो एनीवन, लाइसेंस को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? सॉरी सर ने रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म की हिंदी बता दी। वाहन चालक प्रमाण पत्र। वाह। ओके, लाइसेंस को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? एनीवन एनीवन? गूगल गूगल गूगल। यस, एनीवन? यस प्लीज। दोबारा पूरा पूरा बोलो, स्पीक द होल वर्ड। अनुज्ञा पत्र। यस, द लाइसेंस इन हिंदी इज कॉल्ड अनुज्ञा पत्र। और मुझे लगता है ये अब सबको याद रहने वाला है। आंसर आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला वर्ड। सर के लिए तालियां हो जाए प्लीज, एंड आप सबके लिए भी। So are our teachers ready? We are going to have teachers performance. It is time for our outstanding teachers of Kids to give a power pack performance.
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम जाने दो जाना है ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम जाने दो जाना है तूने ऐसा जादू किया तूने ओ रंगीले ऐसा जादू किया पिया पिया बोले मत वाला जिया तूने ओ रंगीले ऐसा जादू किया पिया पिया बोले मत वाला जिया बाहों में छुपा के क्या किया रे पिया तूने ओ रंगीला ऐसा जादू किया
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा फूलों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील से नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा तारीफ करूं क्या उसने जिसे तूने बनाया है चाल में तेरी जालिम कुछ ऐसी बनाता जादू सावधान संभालना दिल को पर हो के रहा बेकाबू तारीफ करूं चुनी चुनी पानी का दिल तो पिलाया चुनी तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं सूली
देने वाला, ऐसे वैसे तो नहीं देने वाला। सूरतिया हंसी हो, उमरिया जमा हो, कोई भी उसे देखे तो बस ये गुमा हो। यही है, यही है, यही तो है वो। मीना मीना रिका, रगा रगा रगा, ऐसी कभी करेगा। मीना मीना रिका रिका रिका, रिका मका 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 रिका 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 राम राम।
आज उनसे पहली मुलाकात होगी, फिर आमने सामने बात होगी, फिर होगा क्या क्या पता क्या खबर, फिर होगा क्या क्या पता क्या खबर। आज उनसे पहली मुलाकात होगी, फिर आमने सामने बात होगी, फिर होगा क्या क्या पता क्या खबर। हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग, हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग। मुझे के साथ चल दो, यूं ही दिन रात चल दो, समझ मेरे साथ चल दो, ले हाथों में हाथ चल दो, साथी चल।
Wow, amazing, amazing. How was that performance? So कैसा लगा आपको टीचर्स का डांस? जोरदार, अच्छे से ताली मारी. Everyone clap for them. So इन्हीं की छवि हमें हमारे बच्चों में दिखती है, and I really believe and appreciate our teachers who really work hard. Just like the parents, ये माना जाता है कि एक बच्चे का पहला गुरु और पहले गुरु उसके पेरेंट्स होते हैं और दूसरा उसके टीचर्स. अब एक टीचर्स ही है किसी भी बच्चे को जो हमेशा चाहते हैं वो आगे. Moving on, we are going to have participation certification ceremony for all the kids within 2-3 minutes. We are going to have participation certificate ceremony for all the kids within 2-3 minutes. Guest of this evening to come over the stage for giving away the appreciation award to our helping staff members. I request our director sir and chief guest sir to join us to appreciate the helping staff, because without them, of course, things were not easy and we couldn't do them. So it's time to appreciate them as well. For this, I really want all the parents to give a huge round of applause, because they are the ones who are the back steering twins. appreciation award or certificate seated. I request all the parents to be seated. Enjoy this event, parents. Yes, let's have a huge round of applause for Kidsy. Some instructions for the auditorium management. Please do not request or allow anyone to hand over the children to you before the function is over or in between. Children will be handed over randomly, class-wise. Please do not take it in a random way. Parents or guardians should come to pick up children only when their class is announced. Parents or guardians should come to pick up the children only when their class is announced. And yes, staff members are assigned to monitor the premises during the event. Now it is high time to go with the vote of thanks. So good evening everyone. What a delightful evening it has been. My heart is brimming with the joy as I stand here to express my gratitude on behalf of the school for this wonderful annual function celebration. First and foremost, a big thank you to our chief guest. Let's have a huge round of applause for our chief guest for honoring us with your presence. To our amazing parents, thank you for trusting us with your precious little ones and for cheering them so on enthusiastically today. Your encouragement gives them the wings so that they can fly higher. Let's have a clap for the parents. A huge round of applause for the parents. Now to our young stars. Wow, they just left us speechless with their performances. From the confident dancers to the expressive storytellers who want parents' time, each one of you sparkled brightly. You have shown us the magic that happens when imagination meets efforts, and here we witness that. A special thank you to our incredible teachers who are not just educators but artists, magicians, weaving creativity and love into every rehearsal, prop and performances. Your dedication to these little learners is truly commendable. And let's have a huge round of applause for our teachers. Behind every great event are countless helping hands, and I extend my gratitude to our non-teaching staff and our choreographer who has really worked hard and made everything run seamlessly today. For the choreographer, please let's have a huge round of applause. Finally, to everyone present over here, thank you for being such a supportive audience, the wonderful one. Your claps, your smiles and your cheers are what makes our events like this so much meaningful. As we leave today, let's carry forward the beautiful message to our little ones have shared with us of joy, teamwork and endless possibilities. Together, let's continue nurturing your tiny dreams into their big achievements. Thank you and have a magical good night. Thank you so much everyone. Let's have a huge round of applause. I request our choreographer to come on the stage. It's actually for the collection of the refreshment which is outside, so you can collect your refreshment by showing your coupons. I request all the audience to stand up. It's time for the last dance of the parents. Let's enjoy with your moves and grooves and make this evening the successful one. I request all the parents to stand up to join us for the dance. There will be national anthem. Oh my God, stretching everyone.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे